Hi everyone, I think we can start right now. I hope you guys follow the preceding presentation or have knowledge about Odoo, otherwise you won't understand anything. So the subject of this presentation is to show you how awesome Odoo is and how to transform the page that Thibaut just showed you before into a beautiful and amazing website. To do this, I'll show you just how to transform the QWeb templates and the controllers to enable the website editor on the page. And once it's done, we'll see how we can develop and improve the website editor. And finally, but you will understand what is it afterwards, I'll show you how to add options in the snippet. If you want to follow the code of this presentation, it's available on GitHub, mgeodoo/odooplans. All right, so how to transform this page that Thibaut showed you onto that page that contains like all the website stuff and that can be editable. So first of all, the website is actually a module in Odoo that basically deals with all the things related to a website, like page management, content management, and stuff like this. So the first thing to do is make your module depend on website. So when your module is installed, website is also installed, and you can use everything available in the website app. So in the manifest, just add a website string to make it dependable. Second thing to do is to modify the controller that Thibaut shows you. Is just like a key website equal true that will modify the rendering context of the template to allow you to use the website template. Third thing is, instead of web.layout called in the previous template, it's called website.layout. So this will, the layout is actually like the purple bar at the top. Here you have the bottom of the page. So this is the website layout. And the third thing is to add a special section called structure, which will enable you to place all the snippets in addition in your page. So just where you want to put stuff, you add a div with a class OE structure, and this will allow you to customize it. So once these three things are done, your page is now website editable. So you can create pages. You can install a theme module. That's a preset of colors and images and stuff like that, available on Odoo. And you can, of course, have fun while customizing your website. I'm definitely not a designer, so I will not do the edition. I mean, I can show you right now. Like here, you can create a new page. Right. Let's say create a new page. So you have a blank page, and you can see that you have this left menu, which is used to customize your page. So you can just like drag and drop stuff, a title, description, photo, stuff like that. There's a small video that has been done, I think, last year on the website builder that shows you the power of this tool. It's just 1 minute. I think it's better if I show you the video instead of show you my talent. So this is just how to show you what is possible to done with this editor in like a few clicks. So basically, like, add a video, drop some stuff, customize it, like changing the images, redesign the text, redesign the animation, and stuff like this. So it's quite a nice tool and very easy to use and to include in your page. So here, in just a few clicks, you have a website up and running. So this is very nice because, like the page that you have before here, like everything you need to do to change these pages, you have to write code and you have to change the template. Here, with this editor, you can just go to your page, edit it, and you can start drag and dropping stuff like here, and you're good to go. So it's very easy to do, and it's quite nice. Now, yeah, just try to avoid this kind of stuff. No, so we have all these available snippets. That's how it's called. But the idea is to add a new one. So you will be able to take the one you've just created and to drag and drop it in every pages that you want. So if you want to create like a new page, you just take your snippet and you place in it. For the use case, we will use here. So this is what a snippet is. So it's just a portion of code, reusable, that you can drag and drop on your page. Just for the sake of the clarity of the next explanation, the template is written in QWeb, and the behavior is described in a JavaScript module. So the use case is this one. In every page, or I mean some of the page of our just created website, we would like to drag and drop a snippet containing the 3 plans in promotion on a website. And we will do this for some pages, but we don't want to copy code like the same code for each page. We'll want to have a simple, clear snippet and just reuse it. So to do that, first of all, to make it available in the menu right here, actually this is the one, we need to create an XPath, like we've seen previously, from the template here, website snippets. This is the left menu where you will put your new snippet. And actually, the snippet is quite easy. It's just a tag here called tsnippet that will contain the name of your snippet. And secondly, the t-thumbnail, which will be the link to the image. So this image. Quite simple. So now it's in the menu. And you will have to define what it does when you drag and drop it. So first of all, we define a basic static template, which will be modified in the JavaScript, which is dynamic. So you just create a basic template. Which is important is that you need to use a unique class name. This class name, called later the selector, will be used to by the JavaScript to know how it can be plugged in and how it can be hooked up with this template. So here, nothing fancy, just a section with a container that, and we will add some stuff dynamically in the JavaScript module. And then this is the interesting part, how your snippet will behave. So a snippet is actually an extension of a special JavaScript object called here content.snippets.animation. And when extending this class, you will be able to create the real snippets definition. So it's actually an extension of the widget that Thibaut presented just before. There's the same life cycle with the init methods will start, and destroy. The thing very important here is the selector key that has to be the same of the class that was just here to be able to hook up. Second thing is to add the snippets in the registry. The registry is just a dictionary, and the keys are the snippets. You will also need to remember this name because we will use it afterwards. Third things, know that your snippets have to know and to fetch the models to get the 3 plans in promotion, because that was the idea. So again, an APC to call the server, just search read, and here you see the domain is like promo equal true. To do that, I've just added some a Boolean field on the model, and to be able to retrieve the plans in promotion. And then again, same after getting the plans, we can render it dynamically. That's something interesting here is that you can load the XML dependencies lazily, because on the website you don't want your user to get the template each time they go on a page. This will be very slow. So we've added a mechanism to lazy load the templates. So here, the row that was here, we will hook there, here, and we will append our plans that we just retrieve. The template is again nothing fancy. It was just to show. It's a basic div with the images, the text, and price, and stuff like this. So that's it. So we now have this little snippet, and you can drag and drop it. And when you drag and drop it and save, you have the plans in promotion. So just the image, text, price, description, and details to get the page. And what is interesting, comparing to what we've done before in the controllers, is that this is a reusable piece of code. So if you want to create a new page, you just have to do exact same thing here, and in your new page you have your new snippet, which is already ready. So that's very nice. All right, next section. How to add option in the snippets. I know if you have noticed it during the video, but you are able to, for each new snippet, you're able to click on it and customize it. And here, there's a set of different options. Like here, background color, whatever. So how to do that with our own snippets? Here, the use case will be to set a parameter on the snippet, which will be the number of plans we want to display. So the idea is here, customize, you have number of plans, and we want to show 2 on one page, 3 on another. So it's just a simple limit parameter on the snippet. So here you see there's 2 plans. I'll show you how to do that. So yep, this is the edition mode. Notice that this option will only be available if you are the website editor. When you click on edit mode, and then you can start editing your widget. This has nothing to do with the user. So again, like a lot of stuff in Odoo, template in QWeb. Just here you see inherit ID is the snippet option. It's another template where you can put your options. As you've seen, the options are just a small list with elements like 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So that's what is done here, a small menu, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here I've put data limits, and this will be used by the JavaScript to know which option has been selected and set it on the snippet. Here, two important elements, data-gs, which is the name of your snippet. This will be used to map which option is available on which snippet. And here again, the selector, same as before. Quite similar to what we've done before, except that here the options are an extension of another class. The class is called snippets.options. Same life cycle. In it will start, destroy. And here we've created a function called limit, and this function will be called each time we click on the small element here, because we've seen data limit. So this function is called, and the idea is when we click on the small menu, we'll set the limits on the snippet. So this target here is the snippet, and yeah, this is a detail. And last thing to know, use this limit in the snippet. So here you've seen this code before. The same difference is that we've added limit and used the limit that the option just set on us. So the RPC will add a limit 1, 2, 3, depending on what you've done, and that's it. So no whole you screaming, we want more. That's all right, because we have more. Here, that was just like an overview of what could have been done, but that's a lot. Like this option can be set anywhere else on the website, not only on the snippets, but you can do like whatever you want on the website. There's an API for effects. Like on the video I've showed you, you have effects like fading in to the right or to the left, and there's an API for that, so you can animate your snippets. There's a lot of available snippets already. So like, for example, one for Google Maps, Twitter, and stuff like this. I didn't show you, but there's an amazing on-the-fly editor. Like if you do that here, there's an HTML, CSS editor. I think Fabien showed you this morning. So you can on-the-fly like modify the style of your page or the content, and you can directly see the results here. Background color. So that's quite cool and easy to use. And of course, your endless imagination. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, I'm here. Thank you.